There is more than one way to add students to your Demiks Admin school. The first one is to add new students directly when creating invoices for them. On the top right of your screen, click on the circled plus and then New Invoice. By clicking on the bar with Enter Student Name, you can then select Add a New Student. Fill up the fields, click Save, and you will have added a new student profile. You can also add a student by clicking on the circled plus once again and then selecting New Enrollment. This allows you to enroll a student in a class without issuing an invoice. Click on the Enter Student Name bar and select Add a New Student. Fill up the fields, click Save, and you will have added a new student profile. It is also possible to add students by importing them from Excel. On the left panel, select the Students tab. You will be directed to your list of students. To import students from Excel, click on the upward arrow on the top right Import. Click on Instructions for guidelines on how to import students using our template. By clicking on the template hyperlink, an example template will be downloaded on your device. Use it as a reference to make your own. When your list of students is organized in accordance with our template, click Choose File. Select the correct file and hit Import to import your students to Demiks Admin. We recommend starting off with importing just a few students at a time to make sure that you followed the guidelines properly. You can also add students to your Demiks Admin school by using our API. Click on Settings at the top of your screen, then select Integrations. Click on API key and then click the plus on the right to generate your own API key. Give it a title and click Generate. Copy your new API key and make sure to keep the key in a safe place for future references. You can find our API text guide documentation in the description of this video to learn how to navigate our API and add new students to your Demiks Admin school with it. Finally, it is also possible to add new students through accounting software like Sage and QuickBooks. Keep your eye out for a video tutorial on how to do this in the near future. If needed, you can always edit the information for each of your students in the Students tab on the left when clicking on the desired student name. Make sure to click Save after modifying a student profile.